In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an ebook on Gumroad, a complete tutorial that will walk you through each step to help you successfully publish your work on this popular platform. So let's get started by navigating to the Gumroad website. Once you're there, log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create one. But assuming you do, let's proceed. Once you've logged into Gumroad, you're going to find yourself on the Gumroad dashboard. Now, this is your central hub where you have all the tools you need to manage your digital goods. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this area because you're going to be spending quite a bit of your time here. Now, direct your attention towards the section labeled Products. Click on it. This is where you can manage any existing products you might already have, or, as in our case today, begin a new project. At the top right corner of the Products page, you'll notice a button labeled New Product. Click on that to initiate the process of creating your new ebook listing. You'll then be prompted to select the type of product you wish to create. For this tutorial, we're focusing on ebooks, so go ahead and select that option. Choosing ebook ensures that the subsequent settings are ideally tailored for digital book products, helping you along the way. Now, this is where things start to get creative. It's time to type in the name of your ebook. It should be catchy and a true reflection of your book's content, because this will be the first thing potential buyers see. Remember, first impressions count. Alongside this, you'll need to choose the currency and set a price for your ebook. Consider your target audience's budget and willingness to pay, and set your price accordingly. Once you have carefully considered these elements, click on Next to move on to the customization phase. This next step is crucial because it involves adding a detailed description of your ebook. You want this description to be compelling and informative enough to give potential buyers a solid understanding of what your book offers. Think of it as your book's elevator pitch. After writing the description, you'll be prompted to upload images or videos to add a cover. Choose a cover design that truly represents your ebook and appeals to your audience. If you'd like to enhance your listing visually, consider adding a thumbnail to ensure it displays nicely in search results. To finish creating your product, add further information, such as categories and tags. Those will help in organizing and reaching wider audiences. Once all these details are meticulously filled in, click Save and continue to finalize your ebook settings. Finally, review all your entered information, ensuring your cover is set to your satisfaction, and click Publish and Continue. Congratulations! Your ebook is now live on Gumroad, ready to be discovered and enjoyed by readers around the globe. By following these steps, you've successfully set the stage for your literary work to reach an expansive audience. Well done on taking this step to share your creativity with the world.